Here is a Halton HVAC controller used for room climate control in the travel and tourism industry. It uses a damper motor to direct hot or cold air to the designated area. When ERD repairs these climate controllers, we extensively test to ensure that the unit can adjust the damper motor at a full range. In this sped up video, you can see the full 5-minute cycle being demonstrated. ERD can help you save money by repairing your HVAC controller as a cost-effective alternative to buying a new unit. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.